A question I get asked a lot is, are essential oils safe for your skin? So in today's video, I'm going to discuss how to safely use essential oils on your skin. Also, I'm going to give you some essential oils that are best for use on your skin. Essential oils have been used for centuries for their various health benefits, and they can be a great tool for your skin as well. But it's important to know how to use them properly so you avoid any potential harm. And be sure to stick around to the end where I'll share with you how you can get my free essential oil guide. Hi, I'm Teresa Hamilton. I'm a former elementary teacher turned wellness educator. And my journey into essential oils and natural wellness started about 13 years ago while trying to help my then 7-year-old daughter. When I discovered essential oils and then they actually started helping when nothing else was, I was hooked. I wanted to learn all I could about them. And since then, not only have I been able to help my family, but I've helped thousands of others as well. Essential oils are highly concentrated plant extracts that can be very potent. So diluting them with a carrier oil is going to help protect your skin from any irritations that essential oil might cause. Some good carrier oil options would be jojoba oil, coconut oil, or almond oil. This will not only help to reduce the potency of the oil, but it also makes it a lot easier for you to apply. My favorite carrier oil is fractionated coconut oil. This type of a coconut oil, it stays in its liquid form without solidifying. It also doesn't have a scent, which really helps keep that scent of the essential oil unaltered. When you're first trying a new essential oil, it's important to do a patch test on a small area of skin before just using it on a large area. This is going to help determine if you do have a sensitivity to that oil. And if you do get some irritation, maybe a little redness from the essential oil, just grab that carrier oil, rub it over, and calm and soothe the skin. Now, a lot of times people want to just go and wash it off with water. Remember, water and oil don't mix. You don't want to do that. The water is going to make it more intensified. So just grab that carrier oil. And to avoid the irritations from the beginning, it's important that you're choosing an oil that's pure and unadulterated. Unfortunately, most essential oils that you're going to find on store shelves don't make the cut. doTERRA essential oils has been my favorite for over a decade because of its quality, its purity, and potency. Now that you know the basics, let's talk about choosing the right oil for your skin type. There are so many essential oils available, and each has its own unique benefits. So do you have normal skin? Try using oils like lavender, geranium, ylang-ylang, or rose. These oils are going to help nourish the skin and create a healthy glow. Do you have oily skin? Well, then you're going to want to choose an oil to help with that. So choose something like a tea tree, a cypress, or a lemon essential oil. For dry skin, use oils like sandalwood, lavender, or myrrh, and that's going to give that added hydration that your skin needs. Is your skin more mature? As I've been aging, I like to use oils like frankincense, helichrysum, or rose. My favorite is a blend that actually has all three of those oils, and it's called Immortelle. Do you suffer from blemishes or acne? Then use tea tree. That's such a great oil because it has a lot of antibacterial properties. Another favorite blend for blemishes is called HD Clear. Have you ever tried using oils directly on your skin? I'd love to hear your experiences with that, so be sure to share that with me in the comments. Okay, so now that you've chosen the oil for your skin type, next you want to do is mix it with your carrier oil. So just take a small amount of the carrier oil and add a few drops of essential oil. Mix it well and then apply it to your skin, gently massaging it in. You can use this right on your face, your body, or even in your hair. Now remember, essential oils are potent, so a little goes a very long way. Start with just a small amount, like a drop or two, and then you can gradually increase the amount as needed. It's easier to add than to take away. So you can use this oil blend daily as part of your skincare routine. You can also add the essential oils directly to your moisturizer before applying. That works as well. But really just start playing around and find what works out best for you. And if you need more suggestions, be sure to download my free essential oil guide. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness tips and tricks, and hope to see you in my next video.